In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Edge step by step. This is perfect if you want to separate your work and personal browsing for better organization and privacy. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Next, click your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Set up a new profile. You'll then be asked whether you want to set it up for work or personal use. Choose your preferred option in this case. Click Personal. After that, click Start without your data if you don't want to sync existing information. Then select Confirm and start browsing to proceed. Now you can customize your profile. You may choose the overall appearance, such as light or dark mode. You can also adjust the tab layout or pick a theme that matches your style. Once you're done customizing, click Next. You'll also have the option to select websites to pin to your Windows taskbar for quick access. Choose the ones you prefer. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup and your new profile will be ready to use. And that's it. That's how you create a new profile in Microsoft Edge.